Hello and welcome. How are you all doing? And it just feels like this live is coming after such a long time. I think there's just been one day of break, in fact. And yes, this season is always super busy with us. Of course, the wedding season, full on, preps for summer, completely going on. That's what's happening in the background. Yes, every collection that you see takes about 5 to 6 months of solid work on the looms, right there, instead of, apart from all the ideation and planning. So all of that is happening in Banaras, in Mumbai, and I've been really busy with that as well. So sometimes आप देखेंगे कभी कभी बीच में gap है. Now what we have for you are beautiful fabrics today, and hope you have seen the style guide which we've just posted. In case not, don't go away now, wait for it and you can see it. It's a complete guide on this look that I'm wearing. I've been wanting, I love prints and I love it because a fun playful outfit like this, I can just wear it to work. I don't have to think too much. And what I love are actually cords because it's so easy to dress them up without thinking too much. Yes, I will be honest with you. Sometimes I skip the dupatta. I don't always wear a dupatta with it unless I have a reason or an occasion where I'm going to be dressing up. But otherwise, I love a concept of, and necessarily a same on same, because it's just so easy. Now the fabric that I'm wearing here is a beautiful range of designs that I'm going to be showing you. The fabric is Dupion silk. It's a raw silk, so Dupion silk basically. That's the fabric. It's a silk print fabric, and I have not used any lining. Okay, for the complete look, you can always see the style video, and there I'm wearing a contrasting dupatta. I will show you which one. Here I'm doing a same on same and in a linen, which also has a texture. This is also silk linen with this Dupion silk. I think it looks amazing. I think it feels great. Now, okay, we're going to just get started. I'm just going to sort out the, dupattas and the look. Now, what I'm wearing is 3,400 per meter. That's the price of the fabric. You can see all of this soft creases. That's because it's a really soft fabric. I've not used lining. If you want it to be more structured, yeah, sure, go ahead and use lining. So one option is that you can go for a same on same like this. It's a great way of doing it. Bottom मैंने तो same लिया है. You can go for a plain chanderi or plain silk. That kind of works, so that is also possible. Like you can do a plain chinia silk, that would be great. A plain chanderi cotton if you want to kind of save on the bottom, but yes, a little flair in it. And this is the exact look that I'm wearing on my style video, and I'm going to show you. And what you're going to see today are lots of beautiful colors of this dupatta. Now look at this. So yes, of course, I think that looks really nice. The same on same look. I'm also a big fan of it, but kabhi contrast acha lagta hai, and I think it is one such contrast that's looking really nice. अब ये जो तरीका है पहनने का कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग दुपट्टा, और ये दुपट्टा जो है ये किसी में भी कस्टमाइज हो सकता है. यू कैन कस्टमाइज इट इन एनी कलर. नाउ यू से दैट आई वांट दिस विद इट, डन. यू वांट इट इन येलो, डन. व्हाटएवर कलर और जो भी रेंज है उनमें सभी में ये बनेंगे. ये दुपट्टा सिर्फ जो है, दिस इज 15,800. It's a beautiful dupatta. I will just show you the entire detail. Look at that, the gold and the silver. It looks absolutely pretty. So this is 15,800. So if you're going to go for this dupatta and 5 meters, so I'm going to give you the match for it. 3,400 into 5, which is 17,000 for 5 meters top and bottom, and plus the dupatta, so it's 32,800. That's the mass. Today I have actually a something to help me out because there's so many permutation and combination, and the team gets very busy with replying to you all. So yes, remember, जैसे आप देखें वैसे आप order place करें. Now this is the color that I'm wearing. This one, it's of course a limited. This is a very limited prints. Prints we do very rarely. और अगर हम करते हैं तो बहुत ही लिमिटेड एक कलेक्शन होता है. सो ये जितना येलो है ये इतना ही येलो है. सो इफ यू लाइक येलो देन यू शुड गो फॉर इट नाउ. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, आई एम गोना बी शोइंग यू सो मेनी कलर ऑप्शंस in it. Now this is okay. Let's start out. Let's show you one by one all the colors that you can go for. Now look at this beautiful one. अब अगर आप इस पे हल्की सी एम्ब्रॉयडरी कराते हैं, यू कैन डू दैट. अगर आप इसको काफ्तान इंस्टेड ऑफ कुर्ता, यू गोना गो एंड वेयर इट एज अ काफ्तान, then you can do that. Then you can definitely skip the dupatta, you know. So all of that casual events, you know, the gathering, that party, that meeting, it's such a great fabric to be wearing. So, you know, look at that, 3,400 per meter. Buy it as much as you want. It's silk, it's pure silk, and it's printed. So you can see that. अब इसके साथ दुपट्टा, अब जो मैंने पहना था एम्ब्रॉयडरी वाला वो तो बन ही सकता है, बट मैं आपको कॉन्ट्रास्ट में इसमें दिखाती हूँ लिनन वाला, बिकॉज आई थिंक द लिनन one also looks very very good with it. Now look at that. So that's the combination. I think it's looking quite nice, so you should go for it. Prints मैं दिखाऊंगी, उसके साथ I will show you एक और बहुत अच्छा collection है which is also there today, and I promised to make it very bright and nice and colorful to you, and that is what I'm going to do. Now look at this. So if you're going to mood for, I like brightness, I mean, but depends also on the mood, honestly. You know, sometimes you like that, sometimes you like deeper colors like this. So this is also very nice, lovely maroonish color. If you will see, it's kind of pink, but it's got also it's mainly red. And इसके साथ जो perfect matching है दुपट्टे की वो ये है. जो embroidery दुपट्टे है वो हम आपके ऑर्डर से बना देंगे अगर आपको एग्जैक्ट सेम कलर चाहिए. आई थिंक दिस लुक्स फैब्यूलस. नाउ द मेन रीजन इज दैट वो जो दुपट्टे में जो सोना रूपा की वीव है, आई थिंक दैट मेक्स इट लुक वेरी वेरी नाइस. और आई डू हैव एन ऑप्शन ऑफ अनदर प्रिंट विच आई वांट टू शो यू, बट उसके पहले यू नो लुक एट दिस, आई वांट टू ब्रिंग आउट दीज ब्यूटिफुल कलर्स टू यू, एंड दैट इज द रीजन दीज दुपट्टास आर ऑल 5,000, बट उससे ज्यादा इतने सुंदर सॉफ्ट कलर्स हैं कि इनके साथ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू, एंड फॉर दैट यू हैव टू वेट बिकॉज आई वांट टू फर्स्ट फिनिश शो यू ऑल द प्रिंट्स, बट इनके साथ आई वांट टू शो यू अ वेरी नाइस ब्रांड न्यू फैब्रिक which is also going to come. So going back to work on the prints, and I'm going to keep that aside and I'm going to show you the colors. Now look at that, here it is. This one, a deep blue. Yeah. So each color, you know, it's so intense because it's plain silk, you know, I mean, it's pure silk. The intensity of the colors, it's amazing how well they stand out, each and every of these designs. So largely it is just about what you like, and you know, everybody needs that. Look at that. This is a little fancier dupatta with it, and it's in peach color. So yes, it is available. And in case you want to go for slightly something which is more simplistic, then I do also have this. Now, of course, agar aap chahein for, again, I'm going to say the 18,800 one, the 15,800 one in embroidery, that can be done. But I think this is a really sober, very pretty look as well. So yeah, there you go. And this dupatta independently bhi main dikhana chahungi, because I just think generally there's such nice dupattas to be worn. Oh, look at that sheen, it's beautiful, it's organza, it looks great, and there's that, you know, buta in there which is a sea green color, so that's also very pretty. And this combination is absolutely stunning. Iska fabric bhi tha, do you have the fabric? Plain fabric was here only somewhere, the plain fabric. Now look at that. Yes, I want to show you this dupatta in its original form, which is this, you know, which is how we have been wearing it, and it always looks so good, which is this, which is the premium chanderi. Now you can see that, so you can go for a voluminous outfit with it, and then you can look at that. Now let me just open it for you. You can go for a really nice volume dress with it, and this very bright and striking pretty dupatta. So look at that, that's one way of wearing. अब अगर आप चाहें तो with these prints you can do contrasting bottoms, और किस तरीके से वही मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, that you can go like this. Now first things first, this is a pink tone, it's very pretty as well, and with this we have gone for this green dupatta, and I think which looks really really fresh. So look at that, that's the combination that you're going in for. And you know, I have on purpose kept this really close to me this entire life, so that I can really show you the details of it. So if you go for a contrasting bottom, this is how it's going to look. And but मेरा suggestion रहेगा आप same on same जाएं. It's going to be a very quick way of wearing it, and the best way about that is that when, even if you just wear it as you know, top and bottom, then also it looks complete. So one quick glimpse of this. 3400. That's one of the colors. It's in shade of pink and very pretty. मैं बीच में इसको break करूँगी because I want to kind of break it and get you another design. Now you say I'm looking for slightly smaller, and then look at this. And this one in particular, all of these, so different, so amazing. Look at that. अब इसमें contrasting pairing में pick up any color from this. You could be having any color and it could be really nice. Now that's fine, it's okay. So it could be really nice as well. And so yeah, my team is worried that there's a lot of sunshine, but I just think that these fabrics look so good in natural light. So if you ask me, can this be worn in the evening? Yes, sure. Sundowners के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. But mainly, till sundowner, yeah. Like, I would say it's more like from morning to evening rather than at night. But who knows? I mean, I've seen you guys do the beautiful stylings. Now, this is a color. अब इसके साथ आप ये पहने. This is also a kind of a complete look, and it looks really good with it. You could be picking up the orange from this. I mean, that's also like, you can do that as well. But like just about any of these colors. And yeah, you could even go blue. You could even go blue with this one. Of course, किसी और का था वो blue, मैंने इसके साथ लाया है. But you could also go blue. You could also go for this lighter dupatta and make it pair like this. But of course, ये थोड़ा सा lighter ही है blue. So I would want a little something that kind of matches. But any dupatta that I picked up, this one, like you can get it matched in any color from this. So yeah, that can be done. Now I'm going to show you a bright, completely color match combination, which is going to be with this one. And see this, there you go. Here it is. It is a sea green and it's so fabulous. I rarely make this color for a reason, because screen में नहीं दिखता है. But जब इतनी अच्छी light हो तो वो जरूर दिखता है, and that's the good part of it. Now look at that. You can see the entire look. I'm going to go single layer. And yes, they are like big rolls of fabrics. And we're doing it really close now, but you can see it. It's really nice. The sheen, the look, the beautiful print on it, and the perfect combination. So 2-3 options. Go for the 18,800 dupatta, which is right there in my hand. You can go for the embroidered one, which is also worn by us in the look. So that's your complete look. Or go for the 5,000 ones, which I'm just showing you in Chanderi. Now apart from that, ye jo options hai, ye shayad dye. Now look at that. The back, the small print is back and it's pretty. So look at that. It's a very pretty, now nice, right? So you wear this, you wear it in a flary way, asymmetrical, A-line like the way I wear it. So yeah, there are all of those ways of wearing it, but all in all, like really nice. And इस season में ये इसका print का अच्छा वजह है, because it gives you that richness which is kind of needed when you are out and about, and you want to wear it for a very specific purpose. Now look at this one. This is a very pretty dupatta. हमारा जो ombre collection, it was a very nice big collection, and I think it's now about to kind of get over. Very last few dupattas available, which I'm also actually showing you as I go along. So yeah, this is a nice combination with it. You can just go for it as it is. It looks beautiful. And yes, आज सिर्फ print की कहानी नहीं है. आज तो there is going to be a one whole lot of the most wonderful cotton jacquard fabrics that you're also going to be seeing in just a bit. Okay, उसके बीच में I'm going to get something for you, which is these combinations. Now you can see these are the fabulous color options in this dupatta, which I will show you. Look at that. So yes, this is our premium Chanderi look. You have seen us style it. If not, just ask us. And these are the gorgeous dupattas that can be worn with it. और इसमें यही नहीं है. इसमें we have this newest, look at that, newest combination. And I think it is so this actually has been customized to a client's requirement. So I'm just showing you the piece. It's actually so beautiful, and this is actually a client's piece. All of these actually, somebody's been wanting it, and we have kind of made it. And then of course, we said that we'll just show it to you, and then of course they will be shipped right away. Why? So how it has been customized, somebody said, I love this dupatta, but I don't want any contrast, I want the same on same look, and that's what we did for them. The contrast look goes like this, so that's also a way of wearing it. This, look at the beautiful all hand detailing that's been done. Or I'm going to show you the last piece. So all of these that you saw, the last 4-5 pieces, all customized to an order that I'm showing you. They're all going to be shipped out. But if you're in the mood for them, then yes, we will take your order. And this one is fabulous. Which one I'm going to show you? This. Now look at the detailing. It's so amazing. Sometimes that's why I like the close way of kind of talking. It's really good because then I can really show you all the details that are there in it. Now look at that. Wonderful detailing all there. And okay, this is the fabric for it. This is 980 per meter. This dupatta is I think 24,800. So you can now see this, and all of these looks customized, as I said. Now you can say, I want this in purple, I want this in mehndi green, I want in hot pink, red, whatever color you say, we will do it for you. I'll also open it for you so that you really can get the full look. Oh, look at how fabulous. Imagine yourself. And this is in our softest cotton. And this is a dark color that I'm showing you. So you can see कि dark color कितना सुंदर लगता है. And you can do, of course, pastels will look always good. You cannot go wrong with it. Now एक pastel का मैं आपको example भी दिखाती हूँ. I want to show you a pastel example. But I was thinking that I will get this later, because what you are going to be seeing are lots of color options in these beautiful pieces, which is cotton jacquard. But let's do it. Let's show you some color combinations. With it, it kind of brings variety, and that's what I always like, to give you a lot of options. Okay, so we're launching all of these beautiful cotton jacquard. This is the first one that you're seeing today here, and this is 2250 per meter. You can go as much as you want. A same on same look again is fabulous. Otherwise, chanderi cotton bottom, the bottom one, the chanderi cotton one, 980 per. The regular chanderi is great for the bottom, but look at how it is. It's flowy, it's soft. Buy the as much you want, buy the meter, or go for your entire looks, whatever you prefer. And now look at that. Here it is. So that's your look. That's a complete look. It's fabulous. Why I wanted to show this and bring out to you, this is also premium chanderi. अब आप देख रहे हैं, this deep color, it looks so nice. Black in this fabric was looking so nice. So this is of course self textured design. मैं इसका white भी आपको दिखाऊंगी later. I'm going to show it to you with a range of, why I'm having all of these pastel dupatta, to show it to you with the white. And then I will also do the matte. So look at that. That was the first color. Let's go on to the colors of our cotton jacquard. Now I'm going to show you this second color. Now look at that. This is a small design. Ye jo design, I don't think we have it in white. The designs that we have it in white, मैं आपको end में वो भी दिखाऊंगी. Now what I'm showing you with it, so it's also very different kind of looks coming all together in a live for you. But you will see the design ethos of all of them, the looks, the kind of looks that they will create for you, very, very similar. Now this one is isn't that amazing? Pure cotton. Now let me show it to you properly once again here. Pure cotton, ek tara dupatta, and look at that, the Sona and Rupa. This is 32,800. This fabric along with it, look at that, here you go. It is 2250 per meter. And it is amazing. Now let's start with some colors that we have for you. And okay, now this fabric can be dyed in any color of your choice, and which is why I was having this entire bundle of 5,000 wale dupattas, because one, they're very nice colors. Look at that, it's such a wonderful peach. This is going to be very useful because I have all of these nice colors. And you could do a lavender, and you could do a peach, you could do any color, and of course you could do a same on same as well. You could also do, okay, these three colors are going to be really good. That's a yellow, it's a mint green, and then always there's this slightly Irish color. Now look at that. And of course dyed to match it. It can be done. Can we just show you one look? I would love to. Now let's open this. So that's the dupatta, available in all of these beautiful colors. Look at that. There you go. Okay, 2250 by the meter. Buy as much as you want. And okay, that's a fabulous carrot color. Almost, yeah. Almost. Now look at that. Here it is. No lining needed if you don't want it. You know, it's not necessary. We do recommend it. I do, because I just think that, you know, something like this, the grace increases more. But if you're somebody who likes to wear it without it, just go for it. You know, you don't have to kind of go for a lining necessary. Now look at that. A pink and green will look so nice, you know, with it. You can go all red, you can go pink. And yeah, let's see how you're going to dress this one up. Now this one is next. It's a beautiful shade of pink. I have a very similar pink, but I mean similar design, I think same fabric, but it's not the same pink. This is really pretty. It's a blush pink. Now with this one, I would go for probably a mauvish combination. Look at that. I just have this entire bundle. I could also show you how green looks with it. It'll really pop out, you know. And of course the same on same. Oh, look at that. Just, it's weightless, it's beautiful. And yeah, so the longevity, it's a very well lasting fabric. So okay, good question. Thanks for asking that. Somebody's asking how long do they last. See, now one thing is for sure, pure fabrics and lining is must, and you should wear it. Now if you don't wear the lining, then you know बहुत सारी चीजें आ जाती है. How tight it is, loose is it, you know, shape, size, etc, etc. So wear it with lining, and it's going to be a good wear, you know, and that you can really enjoy. So now there you go. अब इसके साथ में एक plain organza का भी look दिखाती हूँ. This is plain organza. It's a very nice color. This kurta, this plain organza dupatta, और इसके साथ ये देखिए, this is the bottom for the fabric. If you're saying you don't want the same on same, then this is the fabric for the bottom. Like this is ready. Okay, तो ये जो, this is a regular chanderi. Anybody who's you know, already have these pieces, you know, this is the cotton that you get for our bottoms. Very rich with a very good sheen. And you can also go wear an organza plain dupatta with it. I think it looks so pretty. So yeah, that's also something that you can go for. So yeah, various kinds of looks that you can create with it. Now I'm just simply going to go show you all the colors that I have, because I love this color. Oh, look at that. It's such a fabulous color. It's a shade of green. And you know what I'm going to do with it? I'm going to bring you one really nice dupatta. And of course, it dyed ho sakta hai. This dupatta can also be dyed, but I think it just looks so nice the way it is. It's the white and it's the green, and I think it looks very pretty. और मैं इसमें फैब्रिक में white आपको ज़रूर दिखाऊंगी, जिसमें बहुत सारे you know, there are many options. And then we will show you colorful dupattas to go along with it. And if you're thinking, oh my god, how long is that going to be? It's not going to take time. We're just going at it. Oh, and this I love. I cannot emphasize how much I love this color. Now if you know what color this is, then you'll know it. This is Kesaria, of course. And I love this gold spot feel to it. The circular rounds is just amazing. So just look at that. It's so pretty. This color, I'm going to actually keep it like that because mere yellow se wo contrast ho raha hai. But right now I want you to just focus on this very beautiful color. Okay, and now with it I could do so many different looks, but what I'm going to do is this one. I'm going to really bring it, you know, hot and really nice, and I think it looks damn nice, you know, if you're going to wear this. Okay, but at the same time I'm going to show you a very different combination as well. You know, look at that. It's a very nice blue. So agar you can also go for something like this. Yeah, it's a complete contrast. ये दुपट्टा इस कलर में तो हो ही सकता है. That is definitely possible. But I think one, I also agree. Actually, the pink is looking too good, you know, and that was looking smashing. But I think, is this also the end of a collection? This one, this is also the end of a collection. So what you get is what I have. In any case, go for any dupatta, but go for this piece. It's beautiful the way it is. Okay, now we're going to go to a Firozi. Can I get a linen dupatta? Huh? Can I get a linen dupatta in white? Is that possible? Can you get that? I'm going to go and show you white dupattas as well, which is going to be really, really nice. Now look at that. Small motifs. It's soft. It's flowy. What can you do with it? You can do anarkali. You can do straight kurta. So obviously you can do a cord. You can do so many different things with it. And I think it's absolutely amazing. So yeah, so go for it. What I'm waiting is that I want a white dupatta with it, and I want to show you a white dupatta. But meanwhile, I'm going to show you 2-3 colors in this very nice. ये मैंने actually सारा ना white के लिए रखा हुआ है. We're going to be doing whites, white jacquards, which I will be then showing you these beautiful colors with. So okay, I think it's going to take time for us to get the white dupatta, but we will come back to this. I'm going to keep this on hold, and meanwhile I'm going to get you now. So now you've seen so many looks, right? You've seen the print with the embroidery dupatta, with the linen dupatta. Then you saw the this dupatta with the base, which was like, you know, plain in the premium chanderi. And now I'm showing you, okay, look at that. Now I'm showing you this as a same on same. It's going to be a really nice way to find many looks, this particular live, and you can do so many multiple ones that can be worn, you know, so many looks, like more than one color option, looks, everything. So now this is so classy, and just look at that, just that slight touch of zari in the dupatta makes so much difference. And then you dress it up, wear any kind of jewelry, bahut sundar, you know, the light brown color in particular. Now this is a dupatta I've been waiting for, and I got it, so I'm going to show it to you. Okay, can we open these whites before we get it here? So now that's the linen dupatta that I was waiting for, and there you go, 18,800. This dupatta is also a great option for the cotton jacquards. Yeah, you can always of course wear it with the one that I'm wearing. Aapko line wala nahi chahiye, aapko ye wala chahiye. Sure, we can do this dupatta for you, but let's make it really simple and show you some combination that are just fabulous, as it is white and blue. This is what I was actually really trying to show you. I think it's going to look amazing worn like this, and just fabulous. Dye to ho sakta, but itna sundar hai the blue and white. That's why I was waiting, you know, to just kind of, and honestly I didn't think of it before, but when I was showing it I said I have to show you a white with it. So kai baar, you know, all of these live thoughts kind of, you know, take a little time. So yes, now we come with the whites. Okay, 2250 per meter. Buy as much as you want in whites. मैं दुपट्टा आपको जरूर दिखा रही हूँ, which you can kind of go for, like you did that. Now I'm showing you a white and peach look. Keep it white, wear it with peach, or you know, just get it dyed. And these are fabulous. These dupattas, 18,800. So the earlier one had a different motif. This is an ambi motif. Both very, very pretty. Okay, and this is my favorite for today, for sure, apart from of course the lovely prints that I'm wearing, which I think is so versatile. This is also really lovely. So all in all, the entire theme is to be able to find as many outfits as you want today. Okay, now let's go. This is the third design. So you get it, right? This is design 1, and I want to show you design 2. This is the design 2 in linen. This is the design 2. See that? This is one design, this is the other design, and the one that I just showed you, the little ambi, that's the other design. Okay, so we have 3 options. So yeah, can I just get that? This is also an option. All of these, so look at that, we are getting it back just to show you the kind of options. This is one, 18,800. This is one, also 18,800. And this is a third, also 18,800. All of these 3 dupattas can be customized with any of the fabrics that you have seen today. But there you go, and that's something I wanted to show you. I think it looks very, very cool, and yeah, go for it. And aisa nahi hai that you can't wear lighter dupattas. We will also be going into those and showing you. But first, let's do a lavender, and let's do this beautiful polka that there is, and just show it to you. I think it looks smashing. The whole color, the way you're going to be wearing it. Okay, I'm going to go for another design as well. अच्छा, इसकी whiteness कब उठेगी? जब आप इसमें अच्छी lining use करेंगे. So it's going to be really okay. Now I'm going to keep away. Of course, this is also going to look very nice with it. But I want to do something else. So I'm going to get you this one now. And this is, of course, the lovely ombre dupattas. Just look at that, how amazing it is. And it's going to look really nice with this or with anything else. But of course, ye jo contrast hai inke, they look great. In fact, there used to be a dress I used to wear in cotton jacquard, and I used to be wearing it in white. In fact, I had it in white, and I worn it so many times with so many different looks. Ab meri to, you know, it's kind of retired. Like after a point, then we retire. I wore it so much. Now look at this. This is a small one. Acha, har mein limited quantity in fact in the whites and as well in the colors. So you know, whenever we take your order, we'll let you know what's available. If it's there, it's there. Otherwise, we'll give you option of what's there. But of course, उसी को beat करने का best रास्ता यही है कि आप अभी आए. There is a live order. As you see this live, you can place your order in live order. Okay, so yes, it is also a great chance for you to catch up, you know, have some fun and get ready. Now this dupatta, now you're seeing this dupatta, this really nice light dupatta, and the color comes out so good. 5,000 and many colors available. You can also go with this, you can dye this fabric, you can wear it in contrast. So all of that possible. The last white coming, and this time I'm going to go for 3 dupattas, not one. I'm going to show you 3 dupattas. Take your pick as to which one you want. Each one is going to be very tough to kind of make. That's like to make a choice. Here it is. That's the first one that you have, and then you're going to go for a blue. So look at that. It's a very pretty blue. I think it looks really nice. What I have in my hand, this dupatta, is a cotton jacquard. And what is the price? 16,800. Yeah, so 16,800. It's, you know, yeah, as I said, the last of a collection. You know, of course, we make lot of pieces when we make it. कुछ pieces, अब जैसे ये जो मैंने पहना है और इसके जो सारे colors हैं and जो designs हैं, that's a very small collection. Yeah, so depends, you know, I mean, it depends on what scale we make. It really kind of varies. Some are just very small, like 5 pieces, 1 pieces, 2 pieces. Something is more, something is less, so depends. Now look at that. That's a wonderful one. It's not exactly kesari, but it's an orange in it. I think it's very pretty. We are done with this, and I'm going to keep that away. Now I'm going to come back to some prints which are again so fabulous and so wanting to be shown. So I'm going to show you this. Now look at that, the orange, the brightness. I'm telling you, try any one of these. Jo aapko mile. Of course, if you're going to go now, sab kuch milega. But if you kind of see it later and you'll be looking, then, you know, just go for any. They're going to all look good. Doesn't matter like how you're styling it, because it's so simple to style them. Now with this, thoda sa kuch, you know, interesting, like this dupatta, you know, you can do that. We can, of course, do the lighter dupatta. Now I'm just seeing if there is a kind of a shade of blue or yellow, like this is kind of yellow, and you could do that. Yeah, but honestly, I mean, you see it yourself. I have actually a nice bright yellow, so I'm going to show that. But I just think that dupatta kind of instantly made it more dressy. The organza, this is a very nice look with the cotton jacquards. I mean, that's what I would say is going to be my preference. Now this color, so fabulous. Always, I think, a little more to me. Thoda sa, you know, I have a weakness, but you know, now you can see I'm trying so many different colors, wearing it, and so should you. But so should you, because the mamla aisa hai that if you want to, you know, I mean, I am like all for feeling and wearing one same color all over again and time and again, you know, because I think that's also absolutely perfectly okay. So look at that. That's a really wonderful combination. I think that it's looking so nice. Of course, any of the linen dupattas, or ek dupatta main isme linen wala hi dikhaungi, which is the yellow, because this yellow looks really good in it. We make a lot of it, in fact, always. And there you go. So you can see the yellow, how it kind of uplifts the peach so much more. And of course, you could do the other color as well. The last fuse and prints, and then we're going to be just wrapping up. We are almost done. We're just going to kind of wrap up, show you. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. That's like bright and nice. And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys wear it and style it. you all do it in such a fabulous way. कुछ थोड़ा और bright करना हो तो you know we can do this. I think that's also really really good. So you can do that. I mean, this is very nice, but depends on like the kind of level of brightness that you're looking for. But I think I would totally love it. So there you go. That's a very nice green color, and you can see the whole thing. Acha, so my team is pointing out that there is a very nice subtle combination as well. So I will show you that also. This is the pink, and you can also go for the pink and this. Look at that. Here you go. So you can go for that. But is this the sea green? The sea green is different, right? Yeah, the sea green is different. So ऐसी बहुत सुंदर दुपट्टा है. But if you're going to go with this, तो ये जो green है और ये green है, this is different actually. So you can see that. Of course, you can do a yellow look with it like this, or you can get the same color dyed. But yeah, ये color थोड़ा अलग है, but खुद में ये दुपट्टा बहुत सुंदर है, especially with the you know the cotton jacquards. You can place your order on WhatsApp, guys. That's the only way that we actually essentially do our business is on WhatsApp. आप live देखते हैं and then you come on WhatsApp, place your order. That is the way we work with all our clients around the world for many years now. So that's the way that you're going to be ordering, okay? And if you're new, you've been wondering कि मैं क्या करूँ और क्या लूँ, try any one thing. Even if it's this, it's a fabulous start. You can do that. Okay, we can get the red again, right? The last two colors that we have here, and this is this. Look at that. This is a kind of a buttercup yellow. So pretty and nice, and you can just kind of go for it. You can again, this was the original combination with red. You can go for this kind of a color. Very nice, actually, very neutral kind of a color. This is a brighter yellow. This is a slightly lemonish way of wearing it. There you go. Now this one, this is a nice bright green. Okay, let's show it to you. So that, yeah, I'm just showing it to you. Now as you can see, there is, you know, yes, there is enough for you to do a same on same. The options for bottom plain chinia silk 2250 per meter, or you want to go to the cotton side, then you can go 980 per meter. That's also there. And again, you know, those 5000 dupattas. मैं एंड में आपको कुछ उनको खोल के भी दिखाऊंगी because you know they are so nice. Okay, remember we only do pure fabrics. That's something that we only and only do. We do only pure fabrics. And somebody's saying, do you keep, you know, I just read that. And I do you keep, yeah, PP for the yellow that I'm wearing. It's 3,400 per meter. They're all the same price. And look at that. These beautiful, fabulous, light colors in these dupattas that look amazing. And each one very, you know, there's that slight transparency that kind of makes it feel very good. And you could be going for any of these colors with the cottons, with the plain cottons, you know, even that's actually possible. And I love this. What a nice, wonderful color. The peach, the green, and the brown. And that's a very nice palette to be having. Let me show it to you. It's like a brownish color, goldenish. This is a light peachish. Now, fabric options for this. Plain chanderi, 980 per meter. Cotton jacquard, 2250 per meter. That's also a really nice. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. This particular shade. So you can do that, the cotton jacquards, and of course you can like do premium chanderi, which is also the same price, but always looks very good. इसमें बहुत सारे colors थे, so I said, you know, I just show it to you so that you can take a pick as to the one that you like the most. In fact, okay. Now कुछ दुपट्टे हैं मेरे पास, which is this, because I showed you one color and then I'm now going to show you the other color. This is a beautiful dupatta. Now look at that. It's very pretty. It's the Ektara dupatta and the 32,800. And yes, this I showed you a green with a combination in cotton jacquard. That was the red, and this is the last one. In that, this is the pink. So the three colors that we have, and so pretty. The Sona, the Rupa, the pure cotton, the border, the konias, all of that right here. This is an Ektara cotton, which means that it is a danedar, very beautiful texture to it. Okay, because we wanted to show you the ombres which are available, I'm also going to show you the ombres, and look at that, the colors kind of vary. मैं इनको खोल के दिखा देती हूँ आपको so that you can have your fix. Oh, okay, that's like flying off. But yeah, that's the beautiful ombre that we have. And these are 18,800, and you can just go for any of these colors. This is a very nice hot pink that you can also kind of opt for. Look at that. This is a single, no, this is also shaded, so which means that inside will be a light pink, and this is how it's going to be. So yeah, really nice one at that. Then there is this. So now you remember that you've seen lots of dupattas, just lots of fabrics and dupattas, like, you know, so many colors in these beautiful 15,800 wale dupatte, which is also a part of our look today. You could go for prints like this, you know, look at that. It's such a nice, happy way of completing the outfit, or you can just go for a plain outfit with it. So both of these are an option, and I will show you two more colors in that particular dupatta, which is this. This is actually the color you've seen me wear and launch that particular dupatta. So that's the light cream color. We have a style guide. It was shot in Paris in summers. So yeah, it's really pretty and very, very nice. So you can see that. And this is the blue, and again, go for plain or go for a cotton jacquard with any one of these. And I think we are done. We've done such a fabulous display of options, looks for you that you're going to be picking up today. And whether it's going to be print, whether it's going to be a cotton jacquard, whether it's going to be one of these nice dupattas, you will have, and you do have so many options. So go find your look and place your order. The way to shop is on WhatsApp. Screenshot लीजिए, आइए डिटेल जानिए, take a payment link, and do not forget, 2-3 चीजें हैं. कैश ऑन डिलीवरी पूरे इंडिया में अवेलेबल है. बॉम्बे में अगर आपका हाई वैल्यू ऑर्डर है तो आप टोकन पे कर सकते हैं. रेस्ट हमारे पीपल आके आपके यहाँ कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, पेमेंट एंड डिलीवरी कर सकते हैं. फॉर हाई ऑर्डर वैल्यू, लाइक इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर यू नो ऑल ऑर्डर्स, बट फॉर सम, फॉर दोज ऑर्डर्स यू कैन जस्ट ऑप्ट फॉर Blue Dart, will come, deliver, take COD, cash on delivery, and then you know go. And for rest of India, of course, cash on delivery is available. There's no extra charges. There is a token जो आप pay करते हैं for the surety of your order, which is non-refundable. Okay, and free international shipping above 20,000. It's a great value. आज कोई भी सूट ले आप, and it's going to be 20,000 above. If you were just going to go for this kurta that I'm wearing, it's 8,500 for 2.5 meter. So you can go for a same on same look at dupatta, and it qualifies for free international shipping. सब कुछ qualify करेगा. 20,000 and above, DHL से worldwide free shipping. Try one set, try more, sure, but try one set for sure from this live. Thank you. And have a great one, and I will see you, I think probably the last live. I don't think we're going to be doing anything tomorrow. So yes, we're leaving you with so much, but don't wait so much. Go and place your order now. Bye guys, have a good one. Take care.